GE3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory, Exercise number 7B, Implementing Character Count Program using String. The task is to count the frequency of a single character in a particular string. Let's see the lab exercise. Aim of the program: to write a Python program to implement character count using string. Algorithm: Step 1, start the program. Step 2, define a string. Step 3, define and initialize a variable count to 0. Step 4, iterate through the string till the end of that string. Step 5, increment the count by 1. Step 6, print the string count. Step 7, stop the program. Let's see the program. First, test is a variable. Inside the test, the string is stored. That is a Grace College of Engineering. This is stored in the test variable. Then one more variable is created, that is count, which is equal to 0, which is initialized and assigned. Next, for loop is used. That is what is stored in the test variable, which is moved to another one variable, that is I. So for I in test, one by one it will be moved. It is G will be moved to I. Then next, one more condition, if the G, which is equal to E. After checking the condition, it will move to next step, that is count. We want the counting of that particular character, no? Here we are going to check the E character. So count, if it is matched, it is not matched, right? So once again it will move to up. So next, R will be taken. R will be stored in I, and I will check R equal to E. It is not true. Then once again it will move to that. Okay. So next, A is not matched, C is not matched, and E inside the test it will move to I variable. So next condition, if E equal to E, the condition is true, then it will get enter into this loop. This count is equal to count plus 1. So already in default the count value is 0. So 0 plus 1 will be stored in this count. Then next it will move to the for loop. The next C will be taken, O, L, then next one more E is there. So E will be moved. Then it is true. The condition is true. It will enter into this loop. So already the count value is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is stored in count. Likewise, this will be done iteratively. For that, for loop is used. Next, after doing all these operations up to the end of the string G, right? The next, print count of E in Grace College of Engineering is string of count. You can get the output like this way. Count of E in Grace College of Engineering is 6. So in Grace College of Engineering, 6 E character is present, that is calculated by using these operations. Let's see the execution part in Python. In the description box I have given the link how to install Python. You can refer that. After install Python, in the start type ideally, enter. The Python shell is opened. Click file, new file, then start typing the program. After type the program, click the file, save. You want to check the path where the Python is installed. There you want to store the file. Click that. File name. You want to give one file name. Save. Then click run. Run module. Count of E in Grace College of Engineering is 6. You got the output. Result of this program. Thus the Python program to implement character count using string was written and executed successfully. I hope you all understood the concept, that is how to count the characters in particular string and how to execute in Python. Thank you.